This is the actual start of the trailhead. You can see there's a little history. It's part of the Bonneville Shoreline Trail, which connects to this. And I believe there's a mountain biking section. I've never biked this area. You can go on either direction of this. They both lead to the same place, but I'm just going to follow the regular trail. One of the great things about this trail is it's really, really easy to get to. It's just a convenient location, and it's stunning views all the way around. It's pretty much right in downtown Ogden. You just drive right up to 29th Street and there you are. Very easy to get to. It is family friendly. It is also dog friendly. And that's good and bad. There's little dog bombs all over the place, so you gotta watch. The trail's pretty unique. Very fun. Pretty excited to fly my drone up this thing. I've never flown up this before, and I've always kind of wondered what above the waterfall looks like. Trail's still pretty easy. I'm only about, 0.13 of the way. I believe it's about 1.5 miles. I want to say it's 3 miles round trip, maybe a little less, maybe a little more. Not too bad. Down below you can see a couple of old-time steel water pressure tanks. They're out of service now, but they're kind of a cool feature. The trail splits right here, and up to the left is the direction you want to go. Down to the right is what I believe is an extension of the Bonneville Shoreline Trail, and this carries clear down to Provo as far as I understand. It's a very cool mountain bike running trail, and very, very awesome. One of these days I need to do the whole thing. So at about the 3/4 mile mark from the parking lot, it starts to get green, and there's lovely rock features that have been graffitied, and a nice little wooden bridge. Terrain doesn't get any steeper really, but it gets rougher. So a lot more rocks. Just got to use a little care. So here we have another section. Now in the spring when the runoff is going, this river gets pretty impressive, but right now it's August. There's no snowpack left. In fact, if it hadn't rained the other day, this would probably be barely a trickle. So I'm hoping the waterfall is still really cool. It probably will be, but definitely not as much water as normally is up here. Now this is the steepest section of the trail that I remember. It's about 0.8 of a mile, and as long as you go nice and slow, it doesn't take much effort. It's like walking upstairs. Just take your time. It is rocky. There is some loose dirt. You need to be aware. Just watch your step. Again, the trail is pretty rocky, but nothing you can't manage with a little bit of care. It's a great trail to reflect and think on. It's Wednesday. It's about 11 o'clock. Seen a few people, not a lot. Weekend, this place is probably pretty busy. I try to avoid it on the weekends, but everybody's been really friendly. So there's that. Well, either a scout troop or the city has come up and cleaned this trail up, because it's cleaner than I've ever seen it. So pretty awesome. It's very green right now. Last year at this time it was pretty brown, so the extra water has made a big difference. And up here it's a nice 70. You can definitely feel the evaporative cooling effect of the waterfall, which is very nice, because I'm out of shape from being injured and haven't been able to do anything, and I don't remember this hike making me this winded. So the cool air is definitely a welcome plus. It's getting a little cloudy, which is good for me, but you can see the waterfall from here. It's getting real close. And there it is, the Ogden Waterfall. Just gorgeous. Now in the spring, the water coming out of this will be insane. But right now, it's about as low as it gets this time of year.
Yeah, so isn't that awesome the way the sun hits the light? It's the streams and everything. The falls is amazing.
It is. It's just gorgeous.
I call it falls of light.
Rick does a lot of hiking and he takes a lot of photos too. Really nice.
Yeah. Nice. So I made it up here. It's about a mile and a half to the waterfall itself. This is the lowest I've seen it for a while. Really pretty views. You can see Ogden down below. Not a hard hike at all. I'm gonna do some drone footage of it right now because I've never actually seen what's on top of it without looking on Google Earth, and I'm pretty excited about that. So let's give it a shot. Maintained trail. A little bit sketchy in a couple areas, but as long as you took care, you'd be fine with small children or people with disabilities. I highly recommend